Hello friends, welcome to the world of rubies. This is a detailed video on rubies. This includes origin, benefits, types, treatments, etc. Please stay tuned. Let us understand what is ruby. See, ruby is a gemstone of planet Sun. Ruby is a gemstone which will release red color to the body after doing a prism test. The scientific name of ruby is aluminum oxide. Ruby comprises of 97.32% of alumina, 1.09% of iron oxide, 1.21% of silica, in all 99.62%. The hardness of ruby is 9. Specific gravity ranges from 3.94 to 4.08. Now we'll understand the history of ruby. As you know, ruby is the most historical signified color stone. In ancient language of Sanskrit, ruby is called Ratnaraj, meaning king of gemstone, as it is of planet Sun, who is also called king of planets. Rubies are even mentioned in our Garud Purana in chapter 68, Asagastha Samhita, mentioning it as a Padmaraga. Padmaraga in Sanskrit means lotus color. Even Atharvaveda has many suktas dedicated to gemstone and gem therapy pertaining to ruby. As a culture of India is quite inherent and it is quite old, we can say that ruby and the gemstone are studied by our ancestors 5,000 years prior. In context of Bible also, ruby is mentioned 4 times. So ruby is a Latin word. Ruby actually, ruby in Marathi or in Hindi, the ruby is called manik. In English, it is called ruby. So ruby is a Latin word means red, as a color of stone reflect red color. It was said that Afghani rubies were the first rubies used during the first century. Roman scholar Pliny included rubies in natural history, describing their hardness and density. Now we'll understand the benefits of wearing ruby. See, ruby being a gemstone of sun will give qualities of planet sun. Now what these qualities are? Ruby increases confidence level. That is called Atmabal, or you can sometimes call your strength, inner strength. Ruby also increases body immunity. Body immunity is your Rog Pratikarak Shakti. Ruby increases spirit consciousness. Spirit consciousness is your Atmabal. Ruby increases your willpower. Ruby increases optimism. Optimism is thinking, going for all positivity. So it creates a atmosphere, or you can say person tends to become more positive. Ruby also increases determination. So now Ruby is advisable for whom? Ruby actually is advisable for those people who has lot of social image, and a small mistake by them may defame them. So those people who have always keep their image a priority, for those this gemstone is called gem of fortune. In other words, Bhagya Ratna. For example, judges, head of universities, politicians, government officers, spiritual heads, etc. Now we'll understand the medical benefits of ruby. The ruby being hot releases hot waves in a form of a cosmic wave and is capable of curing diseases arising out of cold where the discharges are thin. See, any gemstone which releases unique color are a real gemstone. So ruby being a gemstone which releases red color to the body, which gives body heat. So generally, those people who are having less, the temperature of body is of the body is always low. For such people, ruby is advisable. It actually act as a shield to protect from the cold or cold waves to the body. According to Ayurveda, ash of a ruby prolongs life by curing burning boils, effects of poison, and even eye troubles. Who should wear ruby? Astrologically speaking, I always say the ruby should be wear depending upon the placement of sun in the chart. So when the sun placed in the first house, ruby will increase personality of the person. Personality means he may become very charmer. He can become people may be fascinated meeting him. So his personality will be appealing. When Sun is placed in the second house, Ruby will enhance strong voice and infuse principal family values. So when Sun is in second house, The qualities of sun, ruby means qualities of sun will amplify when a ruby is put. So what are the qualities? It will enhance a strong voice. The voice will be strong, and also it will infuse principal family values to the person. When sun is placed in the third house, ruby will increase willpower. When sun placed in the fourth house in the chart, ruby will give gains related to government property and vehicles. When sun is placed in the fifth house, ruby gives sharp intellect. When sun placed in the sixth house, ruby gives government related job. When sun is placed in the seventh house, it ruby may help you earn government contracts and even government related business. When sun is placed in the eighth house, it is always advisable to avoid wearing ruby. When sun is placed in ninth house, ruby may give you fortune travel. When sun is placed in 12th house, it will give. When the sun is placed in 10th house, the ruby will give you fame and helps you in a business. When sun is in the 11th house, ruby will give a lot of political support and lot of good network. When sun is in 12th house, you should always avoid wearing a ruby. Even in numerology, those natives who misses one number in their numerological chart are advisable to wear a ruby. But the big caution is only those native whose planet sun gives positive result should wear this gemstone. So please consult a qualified astrologer before wearing. Now we'll understand how many types of rubies are there. See, after Second World War, most of the ruby deposits were found in this Eastern African Asian region and some were in the Australian region. So ongoing, there are in total one of the best mines are found in Asia's, Africa's, and even Australia. So there are seven best rubies in Asia. They are Burmese mines, Burmese ruby, Vietnam mines, Vietnam ruby, Thailand mine, Thailand rubies, Afghanistan mines, Afghani rubies, Sri Lankan mine, Ceyloni rubies, Indian mine, Kashmiri rubies, Pakistani mines, Balistan ruby. Four rubies are best in Africa. They are Madagascar rubies, Mozambique rubies, Tanzanian rubies, and Kenyan rubies. All are these are from Eastern Africa. And there is one best ruby in Australian subcontinent from the Eastern mines. Now we'll study this ruby in very depth. First, we'll start with Asia. So Burmese ruby. Burmese ruby are the topmost quality ruby. They are found in mines of Burma. They are very rare in nature. The color range you can see from this picture, the color range is from pigeon blood red to pink. And this is because of presence of chromium in them. Because of presence of chromium in them. Second is a Thai ruby. Thai ruby is also commonly found in the market of Thailand, and they are also known as Siam rubies. So color range are found in deep red. As you can see, this is a deep red. To most of the because of the presence of more iron in them, iron and chromium. Now this is a Vietnam ruby. So Vietnam rubies are found in the mines of An Bai and Nagi of Vietnam. They have high standards. They are equal. Actually, they are compared with Burmese ruby. So mostly they are in the color of pigeon red to orange because of presence of higher iron and chromium. Now this is a Sri Lankan ruby. Sri Lankan ruby is also known as Ceylon ruby. They are found in mines of Sri Lanka. These stones are very bright in luster. You can see they are quite bright. They have sharp features. So color range inclines pink to dark pink. So they are mostly in pink colors and cream, but rather than becoming a crimson, they are probably moreover in pink, lighter or darker pink. So this is one of the standard ruby from Ceylon mine. Now we'll go with Afghani ruby. As you can see, Afghani rubies have been mined from first century. These are the oldest rubies. They are oldest rubies on the earth, you can say. So color range in Afghani ruby are from faint red to deep red. They have certain light purplish tint. As you can see on their table, on this ruby table, you can see little purplishness. Now this is Indian ruby. This is actually found in a Kashmir. This ruby is called Kashmir ruby also, and it's very rare. This is not, it is like you get it very rarely. So it is a vibrant color. So color range is, it is very vibrant in color, mostly seen in pinkish because of chromium present in it. Now this is a Pakistani ruby. Pakistani ruby is found in Hunza Valley of Gilgistan Baltistan region of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and the color range is pink to fine red. This is, now we are going with an African ruby. Now this is a Madagascar ruby. Madagascar ruby are found in mines of Madagascar of Eastern Africa. They are known for its appearance. They are quite intense ruby. As you can see, the color is quite deep, and the color range from vivid to intense stone deep color to medium deep. Most stone fell in this ruby are royal red color. Now this is a Mozambique ruby from Africa. So Mozambique ruby is also a very premium variety of ruby stone mined from Mozambique region. It is very famous stone and doing very good in the market. So color range due to brilliant red hue and transparency, they well known for in the market, and they are mostly having darker pinkish to red color. Tanzanian ruby is also a part of African, Eastern African ruby. Tanzanian ruby are found in the central part of Tanzanian country in Vinza mines and Longido mines. So color range, distinct bluish violet. You can say violet lines on them. This is their mark. You can say this violet line and black color zoning is their common mark, and it is mostly commonly found in Vinza mines, and it is probably mostly in the pink colors. This is a Kenyan ruby. Kenyan ruby is valued for its sharpness. Mines of Pokot in western Kenya, they are found. They are also called marble hosted rubies, as they are quite opaque. So dark, they are mostly found in red color, dark rose red, mostly milky and semi-transparent nature. They are milky and a little semi-transparent. Now last is an Australian ruby. It's also known for its color and clarity. Australian rubies are rarely found. They are mostly found in Macquarie and Kudugong in eastern Australia, depending on chromium element in rock, mostly found in metamorphic rocks. Color range from vibrant red to slight purplish red, and then to the little purplish to red color. So you can see the lustre. They are actually very rare in actually they are rarely found. After looking at beautiful Australian ruby, now we'll learn about the treatments on ruby. See, there are generally two treatments. One is heat treatment. Heat treatment is done to improve color and clarity of a ruby. So this general clarity and cut is been enhanced by heating the ruby around 1000 to 1200 degrees Celsius. And to remove blue patches or a purple linge, the heating is increased. I mean the ruby is heated at around 1400 degrees Celsius. Now second treatment is glass filling treatment. So now you can see this photo here. It is a glass filled ruby. So glass filling treatment as a lead glass filling involves taking non-gem quality rubies and filling cavity and fracture in them with lead glass, which alters the construction of stone. Until this treatment is developed, these rubies didn't had any commercial use. So prior to this, they are all made by infusing the elements. This type of gemstone is actually not accepted in jewelry, but some people who are intending to go for it, they go for it. They are quite cheaper compared to other rubies because it is not a natural ruby, and it also get deteriorated over the time. Now procedure to wear a ruby. See, ruby must be worn in gold or copper only. Scientifically seen, gold and copper are the element which can carry hotness. So it should be wear either in gold or a copper. If you are going for a ruby ring, so it should be wear in a ring finger only, because ring finger has an capacity to accept hot waves. So now timing of wearing. The timing of wearing a ruby should be between 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Sunday morning. Why this is only used in why this is only put in Sunday is because morning it is a Surya Hora. So it actually amplifies the results. And all on this Sunday, if it is a new moon day or if it is a lunar or solar eclipse, it should not be worn. And last but not the least, kindly wear this gemstone only after consulting certified astrologer. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.